Good morning, you guys. It is Monday morning. I just woke up. Well, I didn't just wake up, but a little bit ago. So I am on spring break this week. So obviously I'm not going to work. My mom does not work today, and so I'm going to help her kind of get her house clean, and we're maybe gonna record a podcast. I'm gonna take you on a week of my life in spring break. So I need to get dressed, because I'm naked from the bottom down right now, but you can't see that. And need to get dressed and gather up the stuff that I need to take. So my mom's house is always freezing cold. She just likes to keep her house cold. So I always dress warm when I go over there. So I have this sweatshirt on from ASOS, just some leggings, and then these are camp socks from J. Crew, and I'm just gonna wear my Birkenstocks over them. Such a cute outfit, I know. Trevor made me a bagel, so I'm gonna eat that. Now, and what time is it? It's about 9:30. Trevor is upstairs in class / sleeping. So today, well, let me fill you in on what happened yesterday. Nothing super exciting happened. It was just a really nice, relaxing day. I went over to my mom's house. She was working on getting her bedroom clean before she leaves on vacation next week. Well, this next weekend. So I was just there kind of working on my own stuff on my laptop, and we were just talking, hanging out. We went to lunch, and then we repotted some plants, which I helped her with, which I just love doing, which you guys saw. So today she's working, so I'm at home. And this morning I actually just put some cups of water near my plants. I did a couple over here too. I put a big bowl of water back there and then another cup right there. The reason that I did that is because I live in a low humidity environment, and where most of my plants are right back here, I don't want to do a humidifier because of the TV, and I also don't want to increase mold and stuff in my house, and true plant owners will think that I'm a bad plant mom, but I want my plants to get used to a lower humidity environment, but I don't want them to get super crispy. So that's about the extent of the humidity that I'm willing to give them. So today on the agenda, my house is an absolute disaster. So I want to clean everything. I want to do the windowsills, I want to do the baseboards. So my agenda for today is to get the entire first floor completely clean. And then tomorrow I'll work on the top or upstairs. Ugh. My kitchen is a disaster. I have tons of dishes. The dishes in the dishwasher are clean and need to be emptied. All of that needs to get put away. Just need to take care of a lot. And then there's a bunch of stuff that needs to be cleaned over here. Gotta pick up the living room, get that all sorted, as well as deep cleaning the baseboards and stuff like I want. So that is what is on the agenda for today. You probably will not see me in makeup this week. Spring break is an opportunity to chill out and not wear makeup, so. my podcast is going. Let me pause it. Listening to the What We Said podcast. So now that everything has been picked up, I am going to go around all of the baseboards on the first floor and just wipe them down with a damp paper towel. They're just dusty, there's no grime or anything on them. So I'm just gonna go around with a damp paper towel and wipe those. And also the windowsills. All right, so I love how like you put your hair in a bun to clean and it does not last. So I have now finished cleaning the main floor. So I'm probably just gonna chill for a bit, relax, watch some TikTok. I haven't eaten yet today, so I should probably do that. So I just finished my nails. This is what I ended up doing. I did kind of a color block, a different color on each nail. I don't love it, but it could be worse, so we'll leave it. Wednesday, my dudes, and it is 9:30 now. You guys saw I have not done my skincare yet, and I've got major breakouts happening. I'm not exactly sure why, but I haven't done my skincare yet this morning. I'm about to go do that, and I have not done my hair. My hair was driving me nuts last night, so I put it in 2 braids. I'm probably not going to do either of those things because I'm gonna start sweating here in just a minute. Today on my agenda is to clean the upstairs, and it needs it desperately. So kind of a deep clean like I did down here yesterday with wiping down the baseboards and all of that. So we're gonna start in my office and then work our way towards the bedroom. So big project today. All the while I'm gonna be doing laundry. So yeah. This morning I was watering some plants. I saw this trick. I can't remember where I saw it actually. I think I saw it on TikTok where if you have plants that are waterlogged, you actually put, oh, you guys won't be able to see it. You actually put a tampon in the soil to soak up all the extra water. It seems to work really well for other people. This is my first time trying it. I have 4 different plants that are severely waterlogged, and I am not exactly sure why 2 of them are. I'm not positive what the reason is. Luckily one of them likes to be wet, so that's good, but the other 2, I was having a fungus gnat problem, and somebody suggested putting aquarium rocks on the top of my soil, which actually just compounded my problem. It didn't get rid of my fungus gnats, and it just compounded my issue because it just held in all the moisture in the soil, and gnats thrive on moisture. So it just made my problem a lot worse. So I scraped off the aquarium rocks, but we have lots of new growth on my plants. None on my fiddle yet, but I have some snake babies, some snake plant babies back there. Brand new, brand new. Brand new, and then like 3 more stems back there. That one is thriving. because I still have 2 more things to do. I have to vacuum the floor because Howard made a dirt mess over there with my plants. And I need to wipe down the baseboards. So I'm gonna go do those 2 things. I'm looking a little rough, but I haven't updated you guys in a minute, but my office is now completely done, and I had 2 dead plants over there that I had Trevor take outside, so I only have the 1 banana plant left. So I'm hoping that that will allow me to get control of my gnat problem. So this room is done, vacuum is still out. I vacuumed all of this, and this is Howard's litter box cabinet. So he goes into the litter box in that hole right there. So there was a whole bunch of litter here that I vacuumed up, vacuumed this whole area. There's my peacock chair if you guys are not familiar. So the only thing that I have to do out here still, come on, focus. So the only thing that I have left to do out here is Clorox that railing, because Howard just kind of walks on it a lot, so there's some smudges and stuff. This is a whole nother beast. So that stuff right there are my clothes that need to go to donation. That's storage stuff, more donation behind that. And then this is just all of my laundry piles. So in there is my laundry room. So I'm working on laundry. So that's what that is. Oh, so now, oh, the other thing that I did was I cleaned up our closet and organized it. There was tons of crap on this floor. So hamper is empty, all the shoes. These are all my winter sweaters that were all over the place. So I've done that. There's some Howard clumps there. So I just need to vacuum in here. So this is our bedroom. This is the hot mess that still needs to be dealt with. So changing the sheets, vacuuming the floor. There's Howard's crate, or not Howard, Juju's crate, which is a hot mess. So need to vacuum in here, wipe down the baseboards and the windowsill. And then here's our bathroom. So one of my next projects is getting some sticky tile to cover up this horrendous linoleum. The previous owners, I don't know if they were smokers or what, but there's like burn holes in this and like whatever that stain is. So here, I need to scrub the shower, but I do that when I'm actually in the shower. So I'll just get a scrubby and my soap, and when I'm ready to get in the shower, I will scrub down the shower as well while I'm in there. Clean the toilet, clean up this stuff, and then this counter, which is a hot mess. So we'll do all that, and there's your update. We're still making progress on the laundry, but I have vacuumed in here, which scares the Juju. But I vacuumed in here. We're waiting on the sheets to be done. So I mopped in here, swept and mopped, cleaned the countertop, cleaned the toilet, and now all that's left is the shower. So I am going to hop in. Okay, so I got out of the shower. I've just been folding laundry. How exciting, right? I put my hair back in French braids just to keep it out of my way. And it is 2 o'clock right now, and I realized I haven't eaten today. So I ordered myself a burrito. It's a breakfast burrito with sausage, egg, and cheese. So I'm gonna sit here. I am going to watch some YouTube and eat my food. Golden Girls t-shirt is making an appearance again. I lost it in my drawer for a minute, so see you in a bit. Okay, so bed has now been made. I'm not thrilled with our bed setup yet. I haven't fully completed it. Like, I'm not happy with all of these pillows. The only ones that I'm completely set on are these 4. The rest of these, I'm not thrilled about. So those will change eventually, but I haven't gotten around to completely decorating this room. I mean, I know what I want to do. I just haven't done it yet because, hey guys, so I am at my parents' house and I didn't vlog at all yesterday, whoops. Basically I came over to my parents' house and I just helped my mom clean her house so that she felt good about leaving on their trip. They're going to look at property, I think I told you guys that. So now they left this morning and I am here with the Leroy baby. He likes to sit on the couch and lay on the couch, so they have sheets up. Hi, baby boy. I talked to Trevor today and babies at home are doing good. He works today and tomorrow, so I will be here alone tonight, and then tomorrow, after he's done with work, which is Saturday, after he's done with work, he'll come and stay with me Saturday night, so that'll be fun. Anyways, I woke up with a really horrible headache and I feel very nauseous, so I'm actually gonna get into their bath and see if I can kick this. So all right, it's 2:30 now. I'm sitting on my parents' couch. I haven't moved in a while. I can't kick this headache and it's really knocking me down, so I ordered some food and that helped. I'm not sure what to do to fix it, so I'm sitting here, I'm editing a video, hanging out with the Leroy, watching this new show, Country Comfort, on the television, so that's what I'm doing.